Hello everyone. Today we shall explain exercise 3.4 question number 5. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Here you see we have drawn a rectangle and you see the diagonals are inside the rectangle, right? That's why you can say that in a rectangle 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 there are two diagonals two diagonals in rectangle there are two diagonals in a rectangle there are two diagonals both the diagonals both the diagonals both the diagonals both the diagonals here you see that both the diagonals lie both the diagonals lying in the interior in the interior of the rectangle in the interior of the rectangle in the interior in the interior of the rectangle interior of the rectangle interior of the rectangle interior of interior of the rectangle. Here you see that both AC and BD are on the interior of the rectangle, right? Hence, it is a convex quadrilateral. Hence, it is a convex quadrilateral. It is a convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you.